Welcome to Media Britannics, and thank you for joining this full tutorial on becoming a professional social media manager. In this video, we will walk through everything step by step in a clear and practical way. Social media management is about helping businesses build trust and visibility online. It focuses on planning content, posting consistently, and engaging with real people. This skill is valuable for small brands and large companies alike. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to manage social media in a professional and responsible way. A social media manager is responsible for the overall presence of a business on social platforms. This role goes beyond posting pictures or short messages. It involves understanding the brand voice and the target audience. A manager makes sure every post aligns with the business goals. They also respond to comments and messages in a respectful manner. The goal is to create a strong and positive online image. Consistency and clarity are key parts of this role. Before managing any account, it is important to understand the business itself. You need to learn what the business offers and who it serves. Study the brand values, tone, and long-term goals. Look at the existing social media pages and note what works well. Also observe what needs improvement. This foundation helps you create content that feels authentic. A strong understanding prevents random or confusing posts. Knowing the target audience is one of the most important skills in social media management. You should understand their age range, interests, and online behavior. Think about what problems they want to solve or what content they enjoy. This helps you decide what type of posts to create. When content feels relevant, people are more likely to engage. Engagement builds trust over time. Trust leads to growth and loyalty. Content planning is the backbone of successful social media management. Planning helps you stay organized and consistent. You can create a content calendar to decide what to post and when. This reduces stress and saves time in the long run. Planned content also ensures variety and balance. It prevents posting the same type of content repeatedly. When creating content, quality should always come before quantity. Each post should have a clear purpose and message. Use simple and respectful language that matches the brand voice. Visuals should be clean and easy to understand. Avoid posting just to fill space on the timeline. Thoughtful content leaves a stronger impression. Good content encourages people to return to the page. Different platforms require different content styles. What works on one platform may not work on another. Short videos may perform well on some platforms, while images or written posts may suit others. A social media manager adapts content for each platform. This does not mean changing the message, but adjusting the format. Understanding platform behavior improves results. This shows professionalism and care. Posting consistently is more important than posting frequently. Choose a realistic schedule that you can maintain. Consistency helps the audience know when to expect content. It also supports steady growth over time. Avoid disappearing for long periods without explanation. A regular presence builds familiarity. Familiarity helps build a strong online brand. Engagement is a major part of social media management. This includes replying to comments and direct messages politely. A timely response makes people feel valued. Even simple replies can create a positive experience. Engagement also means acknowledging feedback respectfully. Never argue or use harsh language online. Professional communication protects the brand image. Community building is about creating a welcoming space online. Encourage positive discussion in the comments section. Ask thoughtful questions that invite responses. Recognize loyal followers by engaging with their comments. This builds a sense of belonging around the brand. A strong community supports organic growth. People enjoy being part of something meaningful. Monitoring performance helps you understand what works and what does not. Look at basic metrics like reach, engagement, and follower growth. These insights guide future content decisions. Do not focus only on numbers, but also on feedback quality. Learning from results helps improve strategy. Improvement comes from observation and adjustment. This process is ongoing. Time management is essential for social media managers. Managing multiple tasks requires good organization. Set specific times for content creation and engagement. Avoid trying to do everything at once. Structured work improves focus and quality. Good time management reduces burnout. It also helps maintain consistency. Brand voice should remain consistent across all posts. This voice reflects the personality of the business. It can be friendly, professional, or informative depending on the brand. Changing tone too often can confuse the audience. Consistency builds recognition and trust. Every caption and reply should reflect this voice. This creates a cohesive online presence. Visual identity is another important element. Colors, fonts, and style should align with the brand. Consistent visuals make the page look professional. They also help people recognize the brand quickly. Even simple designs can look strong if they are consistent. Visual clarity supports brand memory. This adds to long-term growth. Handling negative feedback is part of the job. Not all comments will be positive. Respond calmly and respectfully to concerns. If a mistake happens, acknowledge it honestly. Avoid deleting comments unless they break platform rules. Transparency builds credibility. Professional handling protects the brand reputation. Staying updated with platform changes is very important. Social platforms often update features and guidelines. A good manager keeps learning and adapting. Follow official updates and trusted learning resources. This helps you use new tools responsibly. Continuous learning improves your skill set. It also keeps your strategies relevant. Collaboration with business owners or teams is key. Regular communication ensures alignment with goals. Share content plans and performance updates clearly. Listening to feedback helps improve results. Social media management works best as a partnership. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings. It supports long-term success. Ethical and respectful behavior should guide all actions. Avoid misleading content or exaggerated claims. Honesty builds lasting trust with the audience. Always respect platform rules and community standards. Responsible management protects both the brand and the audience. Integrity matters more than short-term attention. Ethical practices support sustainable growth. As a social media manager, patience is essential. Growth takes time and consistency. Avoid comparing results too quickly with others. Focus on steady improvement and learning. Celebrate small wins along the way. Long-term effort brings meaningful results. Patience supports healthy progress. Building a career in social media management requires dedication. Practice improves skill and confidence. Start with small projects and grow gradually. Keep refining your approach based on experience. Professional growth comes from learning and responsibility. This field rewards creativity and discipline. Commitment leads to opportunity. Thank you for watching this full tutorial on Media Britonics, and I truly appreciate your time. If you found this video helpful, please like the video to support the channel. Subscribe to this channel for more clear and practical tutorials. If you have any questions, leave your comment through the comment section. Your feedback helps improve future content. Thanks for watching the video and being part of this journey.